So I'm Matt Bilskie, and I'm an assistant professor at the University of Georgia and leading one of the projects for the Network for Engineering with Nature focused on scaling natural infrastructure. If you're going to the beach, would you rather see a big flood wall made of concrete or a nice barrier island and dune and maybe a little salt marsh? Of course you'd rather the latter. Part of the aim that we're working towards is how can we utilize nature, such as barrier islands, dunes, and marshes, to enhance the coastal system, but also to do flood risk protection. So we're working with numerical models at a variety of scales, both in the coast and in the riverine systems, looking at levee setbacks to understand and help mitigate floods. So we're trying to develop guidance along these features, so once we are ready to actually implement, then we can show guidelines on what size of these features do you need at landscape scale.